Hey y'all, so here's a mini video on how I made my twist bun look big. Yeah, so I started on this twisted hair bun and then I got on with my mini twist extension. Now this was twisted by myself. It's just a afro kinky hair, darling kinky hair that I used to achieve this twist. I used one pack of the afro kinky hair, and it is the darling hair as you can see on the screen. What I'm just doing is twirling or twisting the hair around each other and then kind of like um, rolling it around my own twist or my own bun that I did with my own hair. So you can do this when you feel like you need to add a little bit of hair to your own bun to make it look more fuller and more bigger so you can wear it out. And yeah, so this is what we have. I hope you try it out. If you do, just let me know. And thank you. Just thank you. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also share with your friends if you like what you see. Bye.